Alright, so we're back. We're back again. There's no Grimers here this time. Yep, we're in a Grimer-free kitchen. And we got some pretty cool ingredients here for a new kind of food. Well, not really. It's pretty similar to the last video you made. No, it's remarkably different. Now, this time, we got some extra crispy crinkle cut fries. Because I find these are the fries that work the best with this recipe. And we're going to make something really cool. So, of course, the first thing you're going to need is the pizza sauce. Where are you going with this? You'll see. You're going to need a lot of pizza sauce. Don't cheap out on the sauce here, guys. Yeah, it's okay if you get a little mess. That's fine. That's fine. We can clean it up later. Yeah, let's get this on here. Oh, this is gonna taste so good. It almost looks like ketchup, but it's not. It's pizza sauce. Putting that pizza sauce on. It's okay if it gets in your sour cream, because it's all going on the same food. Here we go. Just do that. Get that pizza sauce on there. You want to cover it all on. Really, you want everything. Everything should have some pizza sauce on it. Put it in that corner over there. Hey, could you hurry up? I'm getting hungry. Oh, you can't rush this. It has to be made correct. Oh, look at that. I think we got all of it almost. These ones over at the top got to be done. Putting all the pizza sauce on. Okay. There we go. And we're going to do this edge over here. Okay. I mean, I think that's pretty good. We got most of it. Yeah. Okay. Now, after you put all of the sauce on, now you have to put cheese on it. Yeah, that's right. Put the cheese on. This is going to be really cool. I'm doing this one hand. Alright. Here we go. Woo! Does kind of look like a pizza, doesn't it? Yeah, it does kind of look like a pizza. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. Look at that. Okay. So now, you know what we got to do next, right? What's that? Well, we got to melt it. Of course, right? I mean, how else are we going to get it in to melt, right? You got to melt it. Okay. Now we got to make room to open the microwave door, because this time we have an extra ingredient that we didn't have last time. And it takes up more counter space. Alright, isn't counter a Pokemon move? Yeah, it is actually. It's most famously used by our teammate Wobbuffet. Yeah, you're right, that's true. Counter is, the counter, and it's also the move counter. I guess it's got multiple meanings. Okay, let's warm it up. Do that, and start. Hey, you learned how to use the microwave. Good job. Yeah, I've been working on that. Trying to get it done faster. I like how this time you don't have a Grimer in the kitchen. Oh no, Grimers. You can't use a Grimer. I brought a Weezing this time. You better not have. I'm just joking, okay? Because I'm telling you, if I get sick, I can go to a Pokemon Center and be healed instantly. But if you get sick, there's no guarantees on that. We have universal healthcare. Yeah, but do you really want to be waiting there? Oh, yeah, you're right, And then what happens if they don't have a cure for Pokemon poisoning? Well, I'm sure in our universe, if Pokemon exist, they must have cures, right? I mean, do they? This is kind of sounding like more of a Pokemon philosophy with James video again. Well, I mean, it's a good question. I mean, do you think that in the universe where Pokemon exists, obviously I'm in it, so I mean, we must be in that universe now, that, doctors can treat humans if they're, damaged or attacked by Pokemon? Oh, I'm sure they can. I mean, Just because I haven't experienced it personally doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Yeah, okay. I mean, so if you got, like, let's say you stepped on a weedle. Well, yeah. Would the doctor be able to, like, cure you? Oh, I'm sure they would. Would they use the item antidote, like you use on a Pokemon if it's poisoned, or would they have to have a separate human-centric medicine? Uh, I don't really have enough medical knowledge to answer that. You'd have to ask a doctor, or should I ask Nurse Joy? Well, are there Pokemon doctors? Because, like, every Pokemon center I go to just has nurses and no doctors. I'm sure they exist. Oh, okay, it's done. Whee! Let's get it all melted on there. Okay. Yeah, is it nice and melted? Yes, it is. Okay, that's beautiful. That's the effect I was going for. We just gotta close that. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some ground beef on that. Is it beef or no, you're not asking is it beef or is it Tauros again? We already did this. We've done this way too many times. Wow, it's a good question. Come on. I maintain that it's beef. Well, why do you say that? I haven't seen a cow in any Pokemon episodes. Because Tauros has like a less than 1% encounter rate at the Safari Zone. So there's no way that there's actually enough Tauros to supply everybody with beef. I mean, like, Tauros are extremely rare. Maybe they're rare because you eat them all. Well, I mean, actually, that's kind of... I'd rather not think about that. I'm not eating a Pokemon, okay? But you're eating an animal. Yeah, I mean, that's where beef comes from. Well, I mean, like, what's the difference? Why do you cringe at eating a Pokemon but not an animal? Yeah, you're getting too into the philosophy again. Hey, I'm a deep thinker, okay? I don't just get paid for my looks. Okay, Meowth. I mean, come on, think about it. I'm the only Pokemon that can talk without telepathy. I must have something going on upstairs. Oh, you got something going on, all right. What do you mean by that? You sound like you need a Fury Swipes. Pour the gravy on. Pouring on the gravy. You should have used a ladle. You know what? It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Don't waste it. Now we gotta put our sour cream on to dip your fries in. Go easy on the sour cream there, man. Come on. No, we don't skimp on stuff here. We do it right. All right. Look at that. Dun, 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 dun. Do you know what you have here? Something extremely unhealthy that should never be eaten? No, shut up, Meowth. You have a pizza poutine. Look at that. Look at that bad boy right there. Oh, that looks good. All right, try it out. Okay, we'll try it out here. God. Yeah, the pizza sauce was a good idea. I'm glad I did this. Well, there you have it. Yeah, don't offer me any. That's fine. Just eat the whole thing like you did yesterday. You didn't eat all of it. You ate all of it off camera. I saw ya. There you have it. A pizza poutine.